Hey friends, have you ever wanted to see your entire sales performance in just one view? Well, today I'll show you something really cool, a beautiful and smart sales analysis dashboard made right inside Excel. Welcome back, my YouTube family. I'm your instructor Rashid, and you're watching Data Universe BI, the place where we make data simple and fun to understand. Alright, let's explore this dashboard together, step by step. This is our sales analysis dashboard. You can see it's clean, well organized, and shows all key sales numbers in one place. At the top, we have four main boxes, or KPI. Retail sales shows 954 units. Wholesale sales shows 98 units. Total sales adds up to 1052, and per day sales is around 35. These numbers help us understand how our business is performing overall. Simple but powerful. Now look at this colorful donut chart. It shows regional sales. Here, the central region is leading with 41% of total sales. That's a great performance. The north region follows with 25%, then southern region at 29%, and finally south with 5%. From this chart, we can clearly see which region is performing best and where improvement is needed. Next, we have brand-wise sales. You can see bars for each brand. This chart helps us quickly understand which products are performing well in the market. And here at the bottom, we have the daily sales trend. You can see how sales are moving day by day. There are ups and downs. Some days are high, some are low. For example, sales drop on day 7 and 14, but rise again toward the end of the month, reaching the highest point at 74. This helps us see overall sales momentum, where we are improving and where we need to focus more. On the right side, you can see filters, region, territory, and brand. With these filters, we can easily check data for any specific area or brand. Just click on the buttons and the entire dashboard updates instantly. That's the beauty of interactive dashboards. Friends, if you want to grow in your career or business, learning how to read and create dashboards like this is a must. Because data tells the truth, and dashboards help us see that truth in a simple, beautiful way. So, friends, this is our sales analysis dashboard in Excel. Simple, clean, and full of useful insights. But listen carefully. If you really want to learn how to create this complete dashboard step by step, then make sure you watch this video till the end. I've spent a lot of time and hard work to make this for you. Every part of this dashboard is created with love and passion. And the good news is, the dataset for this dashboard is completely free. But before you download it, please do three small things for me. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, Data Universe BI. After that, you can find the download link for the dataset right there in the video description. Your small support means a lot to me. It keeps me motivated to keep making more free tutorials and dashboards for you all. First of all, click within the sales table, then go to Power Pivot Table tab. Click on Add to Data Model. This process will upload your sales data table into Power Pivot. Now go to Region table. Under Power Pivot tab, click on Add to Data Model. Repeat this same process for rest table of territory and brand. That's it. You've just added all your main tables into the Power Pivot data model. Now all your tables are ready to be connected with relationships, and that's where the magic begins. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to make more Excel tutorials for you. Before we move ahead, let's make our data model even smarter by adding a calendar table. Now we have to add calendar in our data model. Under Design, click Date Table and then click on New. So the calendar table has been uploaded here. We're doing this because the calendar table helps understand dates properly. It allows you to use time intelligence functions like year to date, month to date, or compare sales between different periods. Without this calendar table, your time-based analysis won't work correctly. Now click on Diagram View. Now we have to build a one-to-many relationship between tables. Now put the sales table in center and then arrange the unique tables around the sales table. I will connect region table and sales table with region ID, territory table with territory ID, brand table with brand ID. Lastly, calendar table with the date column. Now all these tables are connected with one-to-many relationships. We are doing this because organizing tables this way builds a clear and efficient data model. The sales table is our main transactional table. It stores all daily sales records. The other tables, region, territory, brand, and calendar, are lookup or dimension tables that describe the sales data in more detail and help you filter and analyze easily. First, go to Data View and select the sales sheet. Now here we will be making our formulas. First of all, calculate retail sales. Type retail sales, and within the sum formula, provide the retail column from the sales table. Similarly, calculate whole sales with the same formula. Now type total sales, and in this formula, add retail sales and whole sales. These are the two formulas we just created. Let's calculate days in this dataset. Type days, and within the distinct count formula, provide the date column from the sales table. This will give you the unique number of days from this dataset. Then type per day sales. Now divide total sales by number of days. This will give your average sales per day. Now simply select all these formulas. Under the Home tab, go to the Formatting section, click comma, and then remove both decimals for a clean look. Now click on Pivot Table and then click OK. Rename the sheet to Regional Sales. Insert the region into rows. Insert total sales into values. Now click on the Pivot Table and under the Insert tab, select a donut chart. Right-click on the Total Sales button and select Hide All Field Buttons on Chart. Rename the chart title to Regional Sales. Click on the legend and from Legend Options, select Bottom. This will place the legend at the bottom of the chart. Click on the plus button beside the chart and check Data Labels. Then double-click on the chart, go to Label Options, and check Category Name and Percentage. Right-click on the sheet, click on Move or Copy, and check Create a Copy. Rename the sheet to Brand Sales. In rows, remove region. Then put brand in rows. Right-click on the chart, go to Change Chart Type, and under Column, select Clustered Column Chart, then click OK. Right-click within the pivot table values and choose Sort Largest to Smallest. This will arrange your brands from highest to lowest sales. Replace the chart title with Brand-Wise Sales. Click on the plus button beside the chart, go to Grid Lines and check Primary Major Vertical option. This makes your chart easier to read. Now double-click on the chart, click on Data Labels, and under Label Options, uncheck Category Name and show Leader Lines. We only need values here, so this will keep your chart clean and focused. Right-click on the sheet, click on Move or Copy, and check Create a Copy. Rename the sheet to Daily Trend. Right-click on the pivot table, select Show Field List to activate pivot table fields. Remove brand from rows. Now go to the Power Pivot tab and click on Manage. In the calendar table, add a new column for days. Within the day formula, provide the date column. Now bring this day column into rows. Right-click on the chart, select Change Chart Type, and choose a line chart. Select it and press OK. Double-click on the chart, then click on the line. Under Line Options, check Smoothed Line. This gives your chart a soft and clean look. Now select the data labels, and under Label Options, set the label position to above. Finally, rename the chart title to Daily Sales Trend. Right-click on the sheet, click on Move or Copy, and check Create a Copy. Rename the sheet to KPI. Click on the chart and press the Delete button from your keyboard to remove it. Right-click on the pivot table and select Show Field List to activate the Pivot Table Fields window. Now empty the pivot table completely. Next, select the following measures: retail sales, wholesales, total sales, and per day sales. First, add a new sheet and rename it to Dashboard. Now decrease the height and width of row 1 and column 1. This gives your dashboard a neat border. Next, select the main area of your dashboard. Under Home, Background, and make it 5% darker. Then select the white area inside and make its fill color white. This will create a nice contrast for your visuals. Now go to the Page Layout tab. Under Colors, choose the marquee color theme. It gives a modern and soft look. Under Insert, Shapes, select top corner rounded rectangle. Go to Shape Format, set the size to 4.23 by 15.75, and under Outline, select No Outline. Now adjust this shape nicely on the left side of your dashboard. Next, go to the View tab and uncheck Grid Lines. It will make the dashboard look clean and professional. Now, let's add our section headings. Go to Insert, Text Box, and type Summary inside it. Under Home, set the font size to 14, font style to Arial. And center align both vertically and horizontally. Make a copy of this text box. Rename it to Regional Sales. Make a copy of this text box. Rename it to Territory Sales. Make a copy of this text box. Rename it to Brand Sales. Press Shift and click each text box to select them all. In the Shape Format tab, go to Align and choose Align Left. Then, under Align again, select Distribute Vertically. Select first text box. Under Shape Format, Shape Fill to White, Shape Outline to No Outline. Now hold the Shift key, select the other 3 text boxes, and under Home, change the text color to white. Again, select all text boxes together and drag them slightly downward to perfectly align them. Next, under Insert, Shapes, select the diagonal corner rounded rectangle shape, paste it at the top of your dashboard. Under Shape Format, fill color to 5% darker white, outline to no outline, and make the size 2 by 5. Now make 4 copies of this shape. Hold Shift and select all shapes together, then under Shape Format, choose Align, Align Top, And again, choose Distribute horizontally. Now all top cards are perfectly aligned on your dashboard. Under Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle shape. Under Shape Format, set the fill color to 5% darker white and outline to no outline. Make it size 6 by 13. Make one more copy of this shape and change its size to 6 by 16. Then create one more copy and paste it below. Adjust their widths so they look balanced and aligned. Finally, drag the last shape to the right side of the dashboard. Hold Shift and select all these shapes, then under Shape Format, choose Distribute horizontally. And now your visual panels are perfectly spaced. Now go back to your other sheets. Simply cut your charts and paste them here in the main dashboard area. Select both charts together and under Shape Format, Align, choose Align Top. Set the height of the first chart to 5.8 and make sure the second chart also has the same height for a clean and balanced look. First, we'll display our KPI values on these top cards. So select the first card, then go to the formula bar and type equal sign. Now move to that sheet where your KPI values are stored and simply click on Retail Sales. Then press Ctrl plus Enter. Repeat the same process for the remaining cards. Once done, select all KPI cards together and under Home, set the font size to 16, font style to Arial, make it bold, and align the text right and middle so it looks clean and professional. Next, go to Insert, Text Box, and type Retail Sales. Now make copies of this text box for the rest of your KPI cards. Now select all text boxes together and under Home, set the font style to Arial, make them bold and also italic. This small styling detail makes your KPIs look elegant and easy to read. Now let's make our dashboard interactive. Select your first chart, then go to Insert, Slices. From the list, choose Region, Territory, Brand. Now, adjust these slices neatly on the right side of the dashboard. For the region slicer, go to the Slicer tab and change the number of columns to 2 so it looks compact and better arranged. Now, select all slicers together and under the Slicer tab, choose a nice slicer theme that matches your dashboard colors. Now, if you notice, your slices might not be filtering all charts yet. So let's fix that. Select the region slicer, go to the Slicer tab and click on Report Connections. A new window will appear. Just check all pivot tables so the slicer connects with every chart on your dashboard. Repeat the same process for the territory and brand slicers. Now, when you click on any slicer, you'll see that all charts on your dashboard update instantly. Let's add a beautiful title to our dashboard. Go to Insert, Text Box, and type Sales Analysis Dashboard. Then under Home, set Font Style, Arial Font Size, 24. Font color, choose a matching theme color like dark blue or gray. Now under Insert, icons, search for home. Select this home-shaped icon and insert it. Under graphics format, change both the fill color and outline to white. Set its size to 2 by 2 and place it nicely at the top corner of your dashboard panel. So friends, that's all for today's video. We've successfully created the summary section of our sales analysis dashboard. I really hope you learned something new and useful today. Remember, every small step you take in learning Excel brings you closer to mastering data. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Because in the next video, we'll explore the region, territory, and brand sections of this dashboard. Stay tuned, keep learning, and keep growing with me. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep smiling.